Nothing but gator heads up in this. That's nice. This up. Okay, we're gonna trim off the entire point because this is a Wagyu brisket. Down this side, remove that little brown piece that no one really likes. Ooh, that marbling up in this. Okay, we're gonna trim it off. Don't cut it into the meat like I did there. Make sure you look what you're doing. Actually, no, I didn't. Look at that perfect cut. You know what? I am better than I think I am sometimes. I'm gonna trim it up nice. You're not gonna want to waste too much of this. Take that silver skin off and that little bit of extra fat. You know what? There's so much in these Snake River Farms briskets that you need to take a little bit off. Keep a 1/4 inch on the bottom fat. You're going to want that, but it'll render out. Okay, we're going to go 1/2 cup of salt, white pepper, black pepper. Fill it all the way up. That's your 1 cup of rub. Granulated garlic. Don't be an idiot and this up. Umami powder, ancho chili powder. Super simple. Keep it simple. A little bit of love. Vegetable oil, because it doesn't taste like anything. You're going to want a good layer of this rub, especially on the fat. That 1/4 inch will render down. I promise. I wouldn't lie to you. Maybe I would, but we are in it. And then this is what your brisket should look like on the smoker. Nice and wet, beautiful bark developing, and then this is what you're left with, baby.